What's up, Rachael? Antonia Lofaso here at the Scopa Italian Reeves Kitchen in Los Angeles, California. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my classic Italian-American dishes, the eggplant parmesan. Let's go through the steps. I like to take the eggplant and peel in sections, leaving some of the skin on and then the flesh exposed. This doesn't have to be perfect. Kind of just peel it so there's flesh, skin, flesh, skin. So I just cut large chunks about 2 inches thickness on a bias, and then going ahead and salting it. And I let that salt sit on there for about 10 minutes or so. So about 6 or 7 minutes in the fryer. You want to give it about 3.5 minutes on one side, 3.5 minutes on the other. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the fryer. Okay, let's go ahead and now build this. Basil oil at the bottom, a little bit of tomato sauce. Just kind of swirl that around. And then we start to build eggplant. And then we're going to do the caciocavallo. And be generous with the cheese, right? I read a meme the other day that said, recipes will tell you how much cheese to put on something, right? But at the end of the day, you need to kind of feel that in your soul. And that really spoke to me. And then a little bit of the locatelli. I'm going to just grate that with a rasper. And when I grate the cheese, you'll see that I grate all around town. I always like to make the joke, same way that you like your back scratch, right? Not just in one corner, you want it all. So you go in a circle to make sure all of the eggplant is covered. And then I just repeat that process. And that is built. The whole idea of this is that there kind of bubbles over the baking dish, bubbles over your casserole dish. Kind of gets those crispies on the outside. My oven is at about 450, very, very high. I'm gonna let that go for about 15 minutes. Pull it out, top it with a little bit of parsley, piping hot, so low on it. So delicious. The eggplant just connects the beautiful flavors of the basil, the tomato sauce, the parsley. Serve it with a piece of bread, eat it with all of your friends and family, leave it on the table, eat it the next day cold, put it in a sandwich, but make the eggplant parmesan part of your staple of Italian American.